Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find attendance trigger in Google Sheets. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that attendance tracker in Google Sheets. Now, for start, then select from the in all the option. So the center bond and going to the insert option. Then click on the text box option. Is finally is find attendance tracker now from attendance option. Then keyboard press from the equal. Then text from the count if plus bracket. Now select from the all day. Now press from the comma. Then type from the true. Then close the first bracket. Then press from the enter. Then apply the wall mark option. Then click for the tick box. That it's then show find attendance tracker in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.